As you see, all around here, there are all kinds of different functions going on with car work. As interior, you know, sometimes you have to just come down. I tell people sometimes, if you have the time, turn to a mini vacation, daycation, come through, talk to some people, and if you like what they're putting out, that might be who you deal with. Like I said, there's different cars at different levels. I've seen some iffy stuff I've looked at today. I've seen some stuff that you will say, okay. And I've seen other places who are charging numbers that are like, oh. Then I've seen other people who are putting cars back together that you wouldn't normally put back together where I come from. So, yeah. Like this Dodge is a rough one. You know, but if you bought this in America, you might have got this for a little bit of nothing. And if you got someone who has the skill and the workmanship and the know-how, you can bring this back. As you see, it's getting brought back. And it was clearly hitting the pillar section. But if you supply the doors and the parts, hey, I've seen some things go down. And so, like I said, we're down here in beautiful downtown TJ. Just letting you see what I see. And I've just been walking around while my work is getting done at another body shop. And that I may be tempted to take my cars some other places. Got Impalas and stuff. Nice. Mechanical shops. So, you know, like I said, I'm just walking around. See? Like that Yaris right there, a Monarch. Ooh, hit pretty hard in the back. But if you got the parts, what we got here? TJ Wraps. They even wrapping cars out here. This I did not know. Wow. Okay, they put a little wrap on the green and stuff. Some beautiful stuff. Hey, how you doing? To wrap a car, what's your numbers looking like?
To wrap a car?
Yeah.
Like this car, we could wrap it for $1,000. This car was $1,000.
Okay. Because I got a Charger, a RT.
Yeah.
Wide body kit on it though.
Okay,
and it's black on black, which is, it's been ceramic coat already, but the black is a motherfucker. Yeah. So if I decide to change the color on a car that size, what you thinking on that?
With the so it would usually be $1,000. But with the wide body kit, it'd probably be around an extra 1,100.
Okay, so my question is are you doing just one solid colors, or are you doing things with designs? I seen stuff down south, people having, you know, all kind of the old Fast and Furious shit going on, or the big Mopar words. Can you guys do things like that?
We can do stuff like that, yeah.
Oh, okay, you guys got a card or something?
Yeah, let me get you a card.
Because I got some cars getting worked on around the corner, and I said today, let me just walk and talk to some people, because all my friends are always asking me, hey man, what's it like down there? What they charging? What kind of work they doing? And so I'm making a little tutorial that I'm gonna put on my YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else, and say, hey, these are some places you might want to venture to and get the work done at reasonable prices.
Yeah.
And I'm just checking the quality of the work. So your name is?
Aaron.
And so can a person, for say, hit you up on maybe WhatsApp or something like that, and send you pictures of what they're trying to do, and you can maybe shoot them a number, and if they feel they want to come down and mess with you, they'll know where to come.
Yeah, definitely.
Let you guys see what I see. I see a nice wraps going down. Get that satin. What color wraps do you are there available for cars to make? You know.
So your most common brands are going to be these three. Mm-hmm. This is Avery Dennison. This is 3M, and this is KPMF. All three of these are made in the U.S. And they're very high quality materials.
Yeah.
This is cheetah wrap, also made in the U.S., but is a affordable version of these.
Oh.
We mostly work with cheetah wrap because of its price point. So like this car is cheetah wrap, or actually no, this car is 3M. But if you look at the quality of this color and the 3M color, They're almost exactly the same thing. So most people go with these. The only thing is they don't last as long. These
What's on the cheetah wrap? What's the longevity? What you thinking?
These are about 2 to 4 years on cheetah wrap.
And on the 3M and M sellers?
3M is rated. All of their materials are rated at 8 years lifespan. And Avery Dennison varies from around 5 years to all the way up to 12 years.
Okay, well,
KPMF 5 to 10 years.
Okay, so here's the question: if this is cheetah wrap right here, and you're at 1,000 on
this is 3M.
This is 3M.
So, yeah, so this one was actually more. It was about 1,300.
1,300. So, for example, to go back home, right there. If you were to come out of Juan's shop, it would be a right, and we're right back going in the line to get out of the border. So, but yeah, so we're just taking a tour around the block, just to let you see what I see. You got your pharmacy people for your cheap aftermarket drugs. We even got your local Haitians, because the Haitians at one point, when Donald Trump came in, they were trying to get to America. I think it was Obama or somebody was trying to get in. They said, oh no, so they got put here. So as you see, they're here making it happen. So you can usually tell the people who aren't the people. More body shop stuff. Because they have a different look to them, a different talk to them. And you can say like, hey, what's up? And they're like, huh? So, nada. This is something I've never ever seen. This much corn in one location. You look at all those corn husks up in there. This whole back of this truck is corn. Corn on corn on corn. I'm talking a whole semi truck full of corn. I say I'm just out walking, and they are sitting all day, shucking the corn and throwing it in there. Wow. Corn, or let's say maize. Corn on corn. Corn. Corn? All corn? Wow. A lot of corn. A lot of stuff. Good corn. Look at that corn. Corn on corn. At other spots I see, if you're really going to paint a car, I think that's how you want to do it. Pull the windows out, everything. So the paint is everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, as I say. Yeah. Everything. Well, we got one more spot up here. So you got your car wash action right here. And Cadillac. I've never seen too many cars up in there. Got your old Buick over here. I don't know these guys here, so I've never had a conversation with them about the stuff that they do. But yeah. So I've been seeing a lot of people getting pulled over. I don't know what's happening. As we saw earlier, when the young man was buffing out this car, which I've walked by 3 times today, and now look at it. Good. Nice. Now, these guys you might want to, yeah. Now, black is on black. Yeah. So the Volkswagen is done. They went ahead and these parts right here I forgot to tell them about to do. So they called the upholstery guy. He came back in and put it in and reworked it all the way through here. I have new door panels for the back. And so they got them both together over here, Dad. And so he blended it in over there and ran the whole thing through here and rebuilt the whole side panels. Also, they re-hit the doors like I requested. So now they're the same sheen as the rest of it. The carpet is done. So we're at 90% of the time. And he said it hasn't dripped much oil, so maybe the oil leak has stopped itself. I don't know. We're gonna check the oil, top it off when we get home. But yeah, just a little wiping on here. So yeah, that 3 o'clock deadline went all to hell. So, but they got the bumper, laying some clear on it, getting that together. They've already did that stuff to it. So in the back half, you know, yep, it's coming along. Of course, it's had a whole year to dry from the previous paint job, and they weren't the people who did it, but he's waiting for it to flash a little bit, drop a little bit more clear on it. So yeah, long day. I think I'm gonna get back in the truck and go to sleep.